So what's the status with the proclamations 114 and 152? The proclamations that ban the entry of family members, of workers, of DV lottery. What is the status? When is Biden finally going to lift those bans? In this video, I'll update you about the latest information about the bans and, most importantly, what to expect next. So let's jump right in. Hello everybody, and welcome to our immigration channel. This is a place where you get the most up-to-date immigration news, updates, and everything else you need to know to make your immigration journey less stressful. My name is Jacob Sapochnik, and I'm an immigration attorney located in San Diego, California, and I help clients in all 50 states. And I try to stay up to date on all the immigration news, and trust me, there's so much going on right now. So if you're here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos, and also give us that big like so YouTube will be able to share this video with more people just like you. We'll talk about the proclamations, the bans, and when all this is going to be lifted. I'll share with you what I know, so make sure you stick to the end. I'll go over all the details. We'll talk about the litigation that's happening. We'll talk about what Biden is doing, and most importantly, what you can do now to stay proactive on your cases and your family's cases. So as you know, under Biden's recent executive orders, one of them was Proclamation on ending discriminatory bans on entering the United States. That executive order reversed all the Muslim bans and all the countries that were listed on that list that were not able to enter the United States. However, Biden did not touch or discuss at all his plans with respect to the two proclamations, 114 from April that banned the entry of certain family members, spouses of U.S. green card holders, parents of U.S. citizens, and DV lottery winners that were not able to get their visas on time to be able to come to the United States. Also, we have Proclamation 152 that barred the entry of certain work visas like H-1Bs and L visas that were not able to get their stamps unless they met certain exceptions. We're all expecting and hoping that Biden was going to lift those bans, those proclamations, but that didn't happen. So where do we stand today? So last week, lawyers for thousands of applicants that were impacted by the proclamation, specifically DV lottery applicants, but also many applicants that have family members that are impacted by the proclamations, told the judge in DC that the Biden administration is taking too long to reach a decision and their clients' visas are expiring, specifically the DV lottery winners. But of course, it also impacts a lot of family members that are waiting for their visas to be able to come to the United States. While the current proclamations will expire automatically on March 31st, which is about 5 weeks from the recording of this video, we have thousands of applicants that if they're not going to get a resolution now, are going to lose their visas, specifically the DV lottery winners. So it is important for the government to act now to find a solution for these people. The lawyers for the plaintiffs, specifically in the DV lottery categories, argued that just this week, almost 500 of their clients may be losing their visas if they won't be able to enter the United States very soon. The government, in fact, filed a letter with the court stating that they are actively reviewing the restrictions imposed by the proclamation. Defendants write to confirm that the new administration is actively reviewing the restrictions imposed by the presidential proclamation 114. What does that mean? Not much, honestly. It's just prolonging the time, and it's hurting the people that need to be able to get their visas and come to the United States right now. And just last week, more than 174 organizations signed a letter urging the Biden administration to reverse the proclamations and let people start getting their visas now. And you can see that letter here as well, and we posted about it in our community page. So the bottom line is that until the Biden administration is going to reverse these proclamations, which we have no idea when it's going to happen, we have ongoing litigation working hard to try to reverse that. On February 18th, there's going to be a hearing for a relief motion on these arguments, whether the plaintiffs should be able to enter the United States despite the ban. And if this ban is lifted through a court order, it's going to help not only the DV lottery winners, but also families and other people that are impacted by the bans. So once again, either the courts will rule on that, or we'll get some news from the Biden administration, which I highly doubt it. In any case, remember, we only have 5 weeks left for this ban until March 31st. Before that, I do anticipate some action from the courts. keeping our finger crossed for February 18. I'll keep you posted. And in the meantime, remember, there's a lot of pressure on the government. Like I mentioned, more than 174 organizations filed a letter asking the president to reverse those bans. There's a lot of pressure from a lot of people that are waiting overseas, trying to come in. There's court litigation. Something is going to happen, and I'll keep you posted as soon as we know that. So for the moment, stay patient. I know it's hard. I'm here with you, and I promise you, once I know more, I'll be the first to post a video to update you. Thanks for watching. Once again, if you're here for the first time, make sure to subscribe to our channel, give us a big like, and if you do want to have a consultation with me, if you need help with your case, make sure to give me a text, send me a text on the number right here, and I'll be more than happy to talk to you and help you with your case. Also, let me know if you have any questions, post a comment below. I'll make sure to respond to you as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. So if you like this video, watch these two videos for more information just like that.